Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today, people, we're trying to get you ready for the weekend a little early. This is a watch face you do not want to miss out on. I repeat, you do not want to miss out on this one. You want to download it, add it to your archives for later on. It is worthy of a download. Now, the watch face is going to be free for the taking in the Get Manager store. I do not know how long this one is going to be free, so make sure you download ASAP. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Kyrie. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you'll still be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, first off, it's geared towards stepping out, dressing up, whether it be super casual or you're just going to be dressing to impress. This is going to be a nice watch face to have on your wrist, especially over the weekend. Now, at the same time, the watch face is geared toward fitness as well. So if you look down at the bottom, there you go, people. Look at it closely. 29,000 steps today. You can check out your battery info, you can check out your distance, miles walked or ran, and also the watch face is interactive, right? So if I tap here, I can go ahead and pull up my battery. Here, I can pull up my weather. Here, I can go in, of course, pull up my step status for the week. If I tap up under it, I can get my recents. At the top, I can go into my calendar. And if I tap in all four corners, I can pull up some more information. But what we're going to do is we're going to show you something because it's kind of like a two-in-one. So now you have this. Now, this isn't something that I would play, right? Especially if I'm going to be dressing to impress. But if it's a fun Monday or a grind hard Monday, maybe I'll do this one. But if you tap here, you can pull up some more information. Here, you can go in, of course, text messages. Here, your music on your run. And also here, it's going to allow you to go in and pull up your email address. I don't want to go into that. But this is nice. I like it. I like the look of the analog hands as well. I like the second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Definitely, this is one for the archives. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Is this a download or is it a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all. Happy hump day. Enjoy the rest of your day. The weekend will be here soon. All right, you all. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.